guys to the channel, Bullets Garage. And when you're bored at home and it's winter time and you got nothing better to do, you come up with stupid ideas to do to your car. So what I came up with today is to tint my front Emblem Lexus sign. So that's what we're gonna be doing. Let's take it off, bring it to the house, and see how it's gonna look before and after. So this is the Lexus sign that I'm going to be removing. Probably get access from behind the grill here. I mean, I love how it looks, but it's very shiny and you know it catches your eye's attention. So I got some 20% window tint that I'm going to apply over the top of this to see how it looks. And if I like it, I'll keep it. If I don't like it, I'll get rid of it. So no harm done. Let's get to it and try to take this apart. So I just popped that off. There's a few screws and plugs because this is where the front collision sensor is. So I'm gonna unbolt some of these and we will take this out and see how it looks. Alright folks, a couple nuts and bolts and this piece comes out, so it wasn't too difficult. So there's a couple screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws that you take out, and then this just comes out. Be careful, this is the sensor for your pre-collision warning and adaptive radar, so be careful with that because that's probably an expensive piece. But let's take this bad boy into the house and see what we could do with it. Alright, so here we are. It's pretty dirty, so I am going to clean it up to try to get rid of any dirt, debris, grease on it so the tint could stick pretty good. I went with 20% just window tint, nothing fancy, scratch resistant. We'll see how it's going to look. So let me clean this up and we'll get to it, guys. Alright guys, after many unsuccessful attempts, I gave up and I just put it back together. It is a lot harder than I thought because this is oval and there's a little bit of concavity to it. You know, it's bowed out, so even I tried heat shrinking the film, it just did not work. So I'm gonna leave it how it is. Call it a day. Project failed. Oh well, at least I tried. See you guys. See you in the next video.